What's going on, everyone? Here I am in front of my 98 Chevy C1500. We'll be doing a little simple, small little project. And I'm going to go walk over here. We're going to put the camera on a little subject. As you see here, we're going to be putting a new pillar badge on the C-pillar. Because I actually didn't get it on camera when I removed the old badges, but I went ahead and removed the old badges because the old pillar badges on this truck was most likely, some of them, I had one on the passenger side that was all gooey and was starting to melt, which if you happen to own a lot of Chevy trucks from 98 and up, apparently the way those, actually what I'm trying to say is the pillar badges on here are known to always melt from the sun, and they always intend to fade, especially on the GMT 800 trucks from 99, the 2006 and the 2007 Classic. But some of the late 97s and 98 models have these style shaped badges, while 97 and older actually had the big square shaped pillar badges to identify what trim level your truck is. So apparently this truck is, this 98 C1500 is what has the Silverado trim. So I got some Silverado badges that's appropriate for my 98 to go right here in this C-pillar. But they even have one for the Cheyenne trim, but the Cheyenne trim is kind of hard to find. You have to go through LMC. But they don't even have the Cheyenne trim one that's square shaped, but they only have like the Silverado for. And the Scottsdale trim was only available for 88 through 92, while the 88 98 trucks you can only get the Silverado or Cheyenne trim most commonly, which I find the Scottsdale trim kind of highly rare. But overall, we're going to take these out the package. Let me put this down for a minute. And this is what the badge looks like. It's held in with some 3M adhesive. So you might want to clean your this little spot up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera off and come back once I install the badges. Alright, I got the badges installed. Didn't take that long to install. It was pretty simple. You just had to line it up where the old one was. And now you can easily tell what trim level the truck is, even though this truck's already a 98. It even says it on the back, on this tailgate right here. But I even did the other side while out. Came out pretty good. At least it makes the truck look like it was truly from 98 with those style shaped badges. But overall, they're like $9 on Amazon, just $9 each for each pillar badge. Even though these are supposed to be for a 99 2006 Silverado, but they work on a 98 CK1500 with the Silverado trim. Too bad you can't find one that has the Cheyenne, but you have to go on LMC and pay a little bit more to get one that has the Cheyenne with that's the one that says Cheyenne. But overall, it looks better than those faded and melted up badges that were on the C-pillar. But they even got ones for GMC trucks, and they even have them on eBay, the older style badges, the old square shaped ones. But overall, this looks a lot better. But that's all I'm going to share with you guys. But my next project, we're going to try and work on getting this off with some glue gun, because I'm going to get some new window visors, and I'm going to even get some that go right here as well. But thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next video.